Hi, I'm Terry with Terry Hine Associates. Today I'm visiting 516 Montgomery Street in Marion, South Carolina. This was an operating coin laundry, and they had a ceiling fire. I'll go in there and show you what I found out. And that's about all I know. And they never did open again. They've started some repairs, but you can probably work on it yourself and get it like you want it. The building measures 35 by 88, which is just a little over 3,000 square feet. I could see you changing the use of it. And there's a dividing wall in here. It could be anywhere from 2 to 3 sections once we see it. So why don't we'll look across the front, we'll go inside, and then look across the back. I'm looking at the front. This is you'll notice some windows may be out, but the spaces are there and they've boarded them up. I also am looking that it's a block construction, so it's a pretty solid building. The fire was mainly on the back side. They've come over here and done some repairs. Part of the tarp has come off, and they've put another tarp on the back where it was the worst, but they tell me that may be fixed under that tarp. From what I understand, the fire occurred just a few months ago. There's some dispensers down there on the wall, and this is your laundry area. A few more machines down here. They've got a coin changer there, probably staying a paint job. A couple of larger dryers and some other dryers that look like they may need various stages of repair. But you see that far wall down there, it's painted green. And right back here is where the fire was, and they've put up some sheets to try to cover it, and you can pull it down and look under it, whatever you want to do. I've seen some more over here. Folding tables, and they didn't really take out the garbage. If they do, you'll see it at the inspection. And I do encourage you to come over here. This building has a lot of potential. All right, we're back in the front of the building. I want to show you this little section over here where it's again divided. Looks like they've been using this room for storage. But I want you to look here behind these machines. There's more space behind that wall there, and it may even connect with the other side. I'm not going to try to crawl back in there and look, but I'll show you why I think that. And that wood there would be going to the laundry area. So this could be a separate space that could be rented or used for some other purpose if you wanted to. Now you can see the plywood there where there was a window there. This is the end section, but it has a side entry door. There's that block wall we just looked at, but I want you to look down here. It's a little dark in here, but I don't have any lights with me. But there's the wall's been opened up, and it could go over to the other side. Looks to be pretty well constructed. Just needs some ceiling in here. So you could have 3 spaces. You could have 2 spaces. Just according on what you might want to use it for. 3,000 square feet is a good sized building. Maybe a little shop or something in it. But I think the fire was in the ceiling. It was down on that other end. And they put a green tarp over, but they said they had done some work there. So I'll let you check that out. I'm not the roofer, and they did some inside work. But if that roof is okay, the rest of the building, maybe a coat of paint or something, looks pretty good. And I think this is a good location. Here's your power meter box down here. The power has not been restored. All right, that's going to wrap us up here in Marion, South Carolina. You can call us anytime you want to or email us, and we'll try to help you with any questions you might have. Come to the inspection. I'm only going to have it open one day for 2 or 3 hours, and I'm working on somebody to help me with that so I don't have to come down here. And I think regardless of what you do with it, whether you have a coin laundry or an office, maybe a shop, it's a pretty good building, 3,000 square feet. So, online bidding only, terryhowe.com. Please call if you have questions. Please come to the inspection.